This video will demonstrate how to use the Python library xlwings to border an entire table in an Excel document. On the right, you can see the testing document that we will be working with. It has a very small table of random amounts of food. Python will help us add a border to each cell of the table. I've opened the workbook on the right with the book function and selected the sheet you see displayed as WS. Starting out, I would like to define the table that I will be adding borders to. I do this by using the range function of the worksheet and passing it A1. On top of that, I use the expand method to select all of the cells part of the table in which A1 exists. This is effectively the exact same as if I was to hold down Control or Command and click A to highlight the entire range of data that I would like to affect. Printing out our table to border variable, we can see we have collected the range from A1 through B7. The information related to borders of a range is stored at the following location: api.borders.line_style. Printing out what the value is, we see a return of -4142. I'm not sure why this is the number that signifies it, but -4142 means that there are no borders on this range of cells. To change this, all we need to do is apply a new number to this line style attribute. Let's assign it 1. Executed, you can see we have a thin border line applied to each cell of the table. This style is the default line style that you would obtain when using the Excel interface to accomplish the exact same task. There is a whole variety of styling options with borders that you can explore, and I've made a video covering this topic, which you can view by clicking the link at the top of the video or the link in the descriptions below. But for our purposes on this video, we have accomplished our task and can leave it as is. So it's very easy. Select the table range which you would like to apply borders on, then access the line style attribute of the API.border attributes, and assign it the number 1 for a simple thin border line on all of the cells within the table. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if this was a helpful and informative video. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, as it really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.